welcome to your final maths lesson of the day. So, today we're going to be looking at numbers that are greater than other numbers and numbers that are less than. So, let's have a look at my first example up here. 4 plus 2 is greater than, remember greater means bigger than, 4 plus 2 is greater than or larger than, then there's a gap and we need to put a number in there. First of all, we need to figure out what 4 plus 2 is. 4 in your head, count on 2, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6. 6 is greater than, give me a number that 6 is greater than, any number that is smaller than 6. You could say 5, you could say 4, 3, 2, 1, any of those numbers are bigger than 6. And you could put any of them in this box here, okay? This time it says 4 plus 2 is less than. So we already know that 4 plus 2 is 6. If it is less than something, this number at the end here has got to be bigger. Bigger than 6. Give me a number that is bigger than 6. 6 is less than 100, less than 10, less than 15, less than 20. Any of those numbers can go here, okay? Right. Then you have some questions that look like this. Something plus something equals 8. Now, you might find it helpful to go and get yourself 8 objects, 8 spoons, 8 straws, 8 toy cars, 8 stuffed toys, I don't know, 8 things. And then you can put them into 2 groups to see which 2 numbers add together to make 8. You might get 8 pens, okay? If you pause and do that now, see which 2 numbers, there are different options that you can get in there. Pause the video and do that now. Okay, all set? So this is similar to what we've done before. You might have found 1 and 7. Did you get that one? You also might have found 2 and 6, or 6 and 2. You might have found 3 and 5, or 4 and 4. There are so many possibilities, and I'm sure you're going to be excellent at that. Then, something add 3 is less than 7. So we need to figure out 3 add something is a smaller number than 7. Okay? What could we add to 3 to keep it smaller than 7? What about if we added 1? 3 add 1 is 4. 4 is less than 7. Does that make sense? Yes, it does. What if I put in 7? 7 add 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is less than 7. Oh, what's gone wrong there? Is 10 less than 7 or is 10 more than 7? Miss Palmer, you silly, you've made a mistake there, so it can't be 7. It's got to be a number that when you add it together, it makes less than 7. Okay? Give that one a go. Then, last but not least, your last and final task is to look at these signs. Okay, remember, more than, less than, equal to. You say it. More than, less than, equal to. Bit like a crocodile, chomps the bigger number, okay? So if I give you 10 and 3, which one of these is going to go in that gap? Remember, the crocodile chomps the bigger number. So, very hungry crocodile is going to eat number 10. 10 is more than 3. You say it. 10 is more than 3. Okay, let's try a different one. Your turn this time. Which sign are you going to put in the middle of these? Okay. Remember which number the crocodile's going to eat. What are you thinking? You should be thinking it's going to go this way, of course. 9 is more than 5. You say it. 9 is more than 5. Excellent. Last one. Remember, we have 3, more than, less than, or equal. Which sign is going to go in the middle here? What about 2 is less than 2? Is that right? No. 2 is more than 2? Is that right? No. Miss Palmer, they're the same number, of course. I know that's what you're thinking. 2 is equal to 2? Is that right? Absolutely. Well done you if that's what you're thinking. You're all ready to go and complete your tasks, okay? Keep up the hard work. You're doing a fantastic job. All right?